Hello, my name is Kile and I am from the beautiful South Africa. I am an English native speaker and I am TEFL certified. I enjoy cooking, watching movies, spending time with my family, traveling, and meeting new people. Well, that's you. Now, I know that learning a new language can be a hectic experience, but I am here to make your journey fun and exciting. We will be focusing on conversational practice, pronunciation, articulation, grammar, and any other thing that you would like to learn concerning the English language. It's okay to make mistakes. We all make mistakes. It is through those mistakes that we learn and grow in knowledge. Book a lesson with me and let's get your journey started. I can't wait to see you. But for now, it's bye.